everyone and welcome to my channel, Limitless Lauren. So today I'm going to be doing some fun hairstyles, and the reason I'm doing TikTok hairstyles is because I've been seeing so much little short clips on Instagram or Pinterest, so I've been saving a few and see if they're as easy as they look. And these TikTok videos played pretty fast, so I'm gonna just take it step by step and try and see how it goes. A lot of these hairstyles are gonna be more updos because it is summer, it's hot, you want your hair up, out of your face, at least I do anyway. I was loving the curl beachy wave hairstyle, but now that the summer has hit in Louisiana, the humidity just ruins my hair right when I step out of the house, so I don't even bother. And about my hair, it's very fine and it's straight. This is what it is. I didn't straighten it, and I don't put any product in my hair after it's wet. I just let it air dry. The only products I use are when it's dry, like hairspray and texture spray, sometimes dry shampoo. And I brought a little clip. I use the croc clip. You can get these from Ulta, Sally's, Walmart. And I do like the blonde bobby pins so it matches my hair better, because if I put the black ones in there, they're a little bit harder to hide. Little elastics, little clear elastics. And these aren't the best ones. I think I got these from Sally's. Cricut amped up teasing comb. You can get this from Ulta, Sally's as well. And they just have very coarse bristles to be able to get more volume. I got this from Walgreens. They had a little deal going on. So I'm going to try to find one of the hairstyles to use this in because I think it's super pretty. Okay, so first things first, I'm going to spray the crap out of my hair with some texturizing spray because I just took a shower this morning and my hair is very soft. And I feel like a lot of these hairstyles will slip out if I don't have a little bit of grit. So I use the Paul Mitchell Invisible Wear Undone Texture Spray, and this stuff is the bomb. Much better. All right, let's get started with the first hairstyle. Okay, so this next one I'm really hopeful for. It's a cute little bow, and there's a couple different versions of it, so I'm going to try them both and see which one looks better. That one was not too bad. I'm going to try the other version and see if it looks any better. Okay, so for this next hairstyle, there is a little tool. They used a makeup brush to poke it in there to help them with the updo. So this one looks interesting. It looks really cute, so I'm hoping it'll turn out. Okay, it's definitely not as cute as the girls' video, but I feel like it would fall out easily. It's already starting to fall out a little bit here, but... Okay, so I have hair everywhere. Okay, so I have one more hairstyle, and I don't know if this is from TikTok or not, but I found it on Pinterest. Let's hope. This one looked so cute, and it did look pretty easy. All of these kind of did, so let's see. Try something else. Okay, so here's my version. Okay, so those are all the hairstyles that I found, and I am just kind of disappointed with all of them. The bow ones looked pretty cute if I played around with them a little bit more. But the other ones just didn't work out for me. And I feel like because they were either mannequin hair or they were really thick hair. And since my hair is just so fine and thin, I feel like it just doesn't look as voluminous as some of the hairstyles did. But try them out for yourself, or don't. I'm just gonna keep searching for some summer styles, or just keep it in a regular ponytail and call it good. But I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you in my next one. Bye. But wait.
Before you go, I'll miss you so please subscribe to my channel and like this video.
Can you blow a kiss? What is on your nose? Blow kisses. Good job.